Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious French toast sticks using regular bread. First, gather your simple ingredients: regular bread, 2 large eggs, and a half cup of milk. Next, whisk together the eggs, milk, a dash of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of sugar to create your flavorful batter. Finally, slice each piece of bread into 3 uniform sticks, preparing them for dipping. Now it's time to get cooking. Carefully dip each bread stick into your prepared batter, ensuring it's fully coated on all sides. Place the coated sticks into a lightly buttered pan, preheated over medium heat. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, flipping until each stick is beautifully golden brown and perfectly crispy. This ensures an even cook and delicious texture. Your homemade French toast sticks are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite maple syrup for a classic treat. For an extra touch, consider adding fresh berries, like strawberries or blueberries, or a light dusting of powdered sugar. These versatile sticks are perfect for a quick breakfast, a fun brunch, or even a satisfying sweet snack any time of day. If you have any delicious French toast sticks left over, don't worry. You can easily store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. To reheat, simply pop them into a toaster oven or air fryer for a few minutes until they are warm and crispy again. They taste almost as good as fresh. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.